I think we found something great.
This morning, it is a great privilege to stand here, Miles and Myah, this lovely couple here before you.
Tell me that you feel the same.
And to be a part of this wonderful occasion, this event that you have waited some time for.
Never be afraid. I'll be there to hold you. Southern boy from Auburn, age 17.
I mean, I remember seeing Miles. One day he came in over to Nana and Papa's, and I saw his face glowing, and I'm like, what's going on here? Why do you got that goofy grin on your face, Miles? What's happening? And come to find out, he was officially interested in somebody. And when I heard it was Myah, I was like, oh my goodness, this is perfect. Like, this is perfect.
When you first started dating, it didn't take long to notice how happy Miles made Myah. Honestly, it often seemed like she didn't even realize anyone else was in the room. Her focus was always on him.
Singing songs about Jesus in strangers' living rooms.
I remember one sleepover where me and Myah were planning our weddings, and she said that if she married Miles, she would have Sonia as her bridesmaid. So obviously I asked her if she liked Miles, and she said, oh, I don't know, he's okay. Maybe a little. A month later, they were dating.
I wanna go, I wanna see, I wanna feel your heartbeat. Walk every road, the highs and lows, and everything in between. When it's
You know, I know she's not moving away, but there's this giving over that I'm ready for, but it's hard. And I'm thankful that it's a man of God, a committed man, a man with integrity and convictions that has taken my daughter. It was not a hard decision when Miles asked me. It was not a hard decision for me because I've seen his life and the commitment he shows to those around him, to the bride and the community. That's what I want. I want that for both of them.
Miles has never been the brightest. So when he first told Liesl and I that he liked Myah, we realized we had a lot of talking up to do.
Turns out we might have wing-womaned a little too hard. Our success turned into family tragedy. We lost our dear, sweet brother when the courting began.
All jokes aside, we really do love you, Miles, and you honestly couldn't have picked a better person to become our sister. We're so excited to see what God has in store for you in this next chapter of your lives together.
They both esteem one another very highly. I pray that this continues throughout your marriage. Continue to love the people God has given you in your life. Live for others. You both have seen great examples of that in your parents and grandparents. May the Lord bless you, your future together. We love you and couldn't be more happier for you. Once again, congrats.
It's truly an honor to be standing here tonight and to have this chance to propose a toast to Myah and Miles on such a special occasion. First and foremost, congratulations to the two of you. Having a loving spouse in your life is one of the greatest gifts God can give, and it's clear to everyone here how deeply you love each other. I pray that your love continues to grow strong with each passing year.